Hello class! Let's talk today about the tape measure, the speed square, and the carpenter's mark. The carpenter's mark to an arrow. Good. A squiggle on your wood to mark where you need to cut. A squiggle. Yucky, icky.
Yucky, icky.
Yucky, icky.
Yucky, icky.
We don't do that. But first, let's talk about our three models. Model number 1. Do you have eyes? Wear your safety glasses. Model number 2. Of course. Safety first, safety always. Model number 3. I'm getting quicker at this. Model number 3. Slow is professional. Slow is pro. This is the hook. They call it the dumb end because all it does is just hook there for you. If someone says, take the tape measure, take the dumb end, they mean take the hook and hook it on something. If they say, take the smart end, they mean take the tape measure side, because you're going to actually be the one looking at the number to get the information you need. This side is the smart end. This side's the dumb end. I know, so sad. So to pull a number, you'll hear me say pull a number. It means hook it and you pull your tape measure, which is what they call pull numbers. Pull some numbers. Let's pretend I want to measure 6 inches right there. I get right, gosh, I hope you could see. It's the best I could do. It's the best I could do. Anyway, keep it together, Castillo. We have 6 inches. I go right there. I do my carpenter's mark. I flick 1, I flick 2.
Flick 1, flick 2.
If you do it soft enough, you'll be able to sand this off on your projects because it's pretty soft cedar to sand away. Now, let's pretend I wanted to mark 7 inches, but I didn't use a carpenter's mark. I went like this. Oh, squiggles, where are you? The inherent problem with the squiggle, is that when you go to cut it later, wait a minute. Was this mark 7 inches? Or was this 7 inches? It is a little different, and a little bit counts depending on what you're doing. So we use the carpenter's mark. There'll be no squiggles in the class. Good. I'm glad we understand each other. So let's go to the old speed square. This is not the shape of a square. It's in the shape of an isosceles triangle. They call it a speed square is because you achieve a square, meaning a 90-degree angle every time. Click, strike, it gives you a fast square. It's called a speed square because you don't have to think, you mark, you do. The other part of a speed square is this 45-degree angle. This can give you a 45-degree angle. It's pushed against the wood, you score your 45, and there you go. You have a 90-degree right here and a 45-degree angle right here. The speed square, also known as the rafter square, does so much more. But all we're really going to use it for this introductory course is the 90-degree angle, called the square angle, the square angle, and the 45-degree angle. These are your two most common angles. Cool. Any questions? Email me in Canvas.